Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine. If you're tired of lugging your laundry to the laundromat or dealing with communal laundry facilities, this compact washer is going to be a game changer for you. First of all, let me tell you about the ease of use with this machine. It has 6 different wash programs including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. You can quickly start the machine the way you like and even add extra rinse time with just a touch of a button. Plus, with 3 water temperatures, it can meet all of your laundry needs. The clear lid allows you to keep an eye on your clothes at any time. Not only is this portable washing machine convenient, but it's also incredibly space-saving. With its compact size, it can easily fit in your room, RV, or dormitory. Don't be fooled by its size though, this washer has a large capacity and a stainless steel inner tub that can hold up to 11 pounds of clothing. Any of the best things about this washer is how energy efficient it is. It can save as much as 84% energy consumption compared to similar models, ultimately saving you money in the long run. It even has a child lock feature, so you can feel safe knowing that the control panel can be locked to prevent any mishaps. The delay start function is a lifesaver, allowing you to set a time for your laundry to start so you can avoid having to wash everything all over again because of the smell. And if you happen to forget to throw something in, you can easily add it in during the main washing cycle with the reloading feature. So, if you're tired of the hassle of laundry day, it's time to invest in the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine. Trust me, you won't regret it. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing machine today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.